We'll guide you through how to stop your Instagram account from being suggested. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So you don't want your Instagram account from being in suggestions. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and stop it. Make sure it's his full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise you may miss an important part of this. So you can currently see we're on the Instagram app right now. And we don't do this in the app. What you need to do is come out of Instagram and open a browser. I use Safari, but you could use Chrome. Tap on the address bar, whether it's at the bottom or top, and type in instagram.com. You want to type in the URL directly, and then we can press enter or go in the bottom right. Press login, go and press login, and here we are. Press your profile icon in the bottom right, and here we are on the profile. Then you can press edit profile to the left at the top of the feed. Then you can go and scroll down, and you want to make sure you switch off show account suggestions on profiles. That's it. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this.